Hello and welcome to BC Pay, BestCard's point-of-sale software designed for medical billing. In this training, we will be learning more about transaction reports. Transaction reports are accessible from the main BC Pay window. To access reports, press the Reports button and search options will appear in a new window. Depending on the details needed, there are various searching and reporting tools. The most common search is for a daily total, which will appear automatically at the top of the report window. You can press View Detail to view additional details for transactions in the current batch. The current batch will always include sales and refunds that are pending settlement. This report will not include failed, also known as declined, or canceled, also known as voided, transactions. These reports are printer-friendly and exportable using the buttons in the top left. Immediately below these options is the report summary, showing the number of transactions and totals for each transaction type. In the main table, you will find transaction details for each transaction in the batch. You can press the Receipt button to view a receipt and other options available for a specific transaction. The quick search function is often the fastest way to find a specific transaction. It allows you to search the last 180 days of transaction history by last name, last 4 digits of a card number, or email address. This is a great tool when searching recent transactions for a specific card or customer. Receipts include all the transaction details from the prior report, but many also include additional billing detail. Below the receipt detail, you will see 4 buttons. The first, Print Receipt, can be pressed to print a receipt according to your printer settings. The second, Email Receipt, can be pressed followed by preferred email entry to email a digital receipt. Return/void can be pressed to either return payment or void a transaction. A void will cancel the transaction before it processes, while a return is a separate payment back to the cardholder. Voids are only available while the transaction's batch is still open, so payments from another day or following settlement cannot be voided. Voids can help avoid unnecessary processing fees and often reflect an update more quickly on the cardholder's bank side. Returns can be completed at any time to refund money back to a customer, but original transaction fees for the completed sale may be unavoidable. Returns may also take longer to reflect on cardholder statements, sometimes up to a week, depending on the card. Along the top of the receipt window, you will also see options for Add Subscription, Update Info, and Add to Vault. Update Info can be used to update certain data associated with transactions and is most often used to add a patient or customer name to a contactless or keyed payment, which do not always submit names automatically when processed. For more information on how to store cards via Add to Vault, please see our Customer Vault training video. If you want to learn how to set up recurring payments, please see our Subscriptions training video. The Search by Date section is best for more general searches within a date range or when searching certain groups of transactions. There are several common reports you have quick access to, including All Transactions, which will display all account activity, Website Transactions for all web and mobile payments, Batch Deposits, and Declined Transactions. Website transactions and declined transaction reports can be useful when auditing specific transactions. You want to start by selecting your date range, then click the button for the corresponding report. Website transactions will display all payments patients have made to your site, as well as any payments made through our invoicing feature, like text-to-pay payments. Declined transactions will include all failed transactions for card present, web and mobile, recurring, etc. The batch deposits report is somewhat unique because it shows the totals for each batch within the date range, with the additional option to then view transactions within a specific batch. Once generated, the batch deposits report will display all closed batches within the date range you have selected. You have the ability to print or export this report to a CSV file if needed. The report includes at-a-glance totals at the top. If you need more details, you are also able to view specific transactions within any batch by selecting View Transactions. Here you will have the normal reporting and advanced billing capabilities for the individual transactions as needed. Advanced search is where you can do the most specific searches. You can narrow down your search results by date, last name, last four, and a wide variety of other parameters found under More Options. You are also able to narrow down results within a specific time frame. Clicking the Back button at the bottom of the window will send you to the Main Reports menu. And remember, within all BCPay reports, you are able to view the details of individual transactions by clicking on the Receipt button. In addition to your BCPay software, you can also view all account transaction data using the Best Card Online Payment Gateway. Need further clarification or want to go deeper in the subject? You can always schedule a follow-up training through the Help menu of your BCPay app. If you have any questions, our support teams are happy to help. Call at 877-739-3952 or by email at bcpaysupport@bestcardteam.com.